Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the physical education subject distribution of syllabus in term 1 and term 2. Basically we know that the term 1 is over now. Now still a lot of confusion is there which are the chapters those who are coming in term 2. Few videos are there those who are basically confusing how we are going to cover the subject in the next coming term. See, basically it's a very clear cut thing that the first term was on the MCQ based. This is a document which is been given by the CBSE board. इसमें बहुत क्लियर कट मेंशन है दैट टर्म 1 थ्योरी these questions were MCQ based, and in this term we have already covered chapter number 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8. Now in term 2 we are going to cover next syllabus, that is the chapter number 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. This basically term is basically based upon the short and long questions. अगेन ये आपका 35 मार्क्स का पेपर होगा एंड इस पेपर के अंदर हम लोग जो डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं उसमें जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 4 फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड स्पोर्ट्स फॉर CWSN मीन्स चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड्स. In that we'll discuss about the aim and objectives of adaptive physical education, organization, promotion, adaptive physical education, then role of various professionals with CWSN. Next chapter is yoga. Yoga is also very important thing. See, very few part of the yoga is in chapter number 3, that was in term 1, yoga and lifestyle, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. But the main portion, chapter number 5, is in second term, that is yoga. In this chapter we are going to learn about meaning and importance of yoga, elements of yoga, then introduction of asanas, pranayam, meditation and yogic kriyas, and we'll discuss about some yoga for concentration. Next chapter is chapter number 6, that is physical activity and leadership training. In this chapter basically we are going to learn about the leadership qualities and role of a leader, meaning and objectives, types of adventure sports, then safety measures to prevent sports injuries. Next chapter is chapter number 9, psychology and sports. In this chapter we'll discuss about the definition and importance of psychology in physical education and sports, then definition and difference between growth and development, adolescents, problems and their management. And the last chapter is chapter number 5, that is chapter number 10, training and doping in sports. In this chapter we'll discuss about the meaning and concept of sports training, then principles of sport training, concept of classification of doping, prohibited substances and their side effects. And in this chapter we'll discuss about few in this term. The practical part is basically project file. In that we are going to mention about yoga and general motor fitness test, then कुछ ऐसे फिजिकल फिटनेस एक्टिविटीज़ का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन जिसमें बेसिकली हम लोग खेलो इंडिया टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और 5 योगिक आसनास को हमें मेंशन करना है उस अपने प्रोजेक्ट फाइल में, जिसके हमें प्रोसीजर ऑफ आसन, किस तरह से हम उस आसन के प्रोसीजर को मेंटेन करते हैं, उसके बाद में उसके बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं, देन वाइवा इज़ बेसिकली फ्रॉम योर प्रोजेक्ट फाइल. कभी कभी जो वाइवा का पोर्शन है वो जो एग्जामिनर है, इट इज़ अप टू द एग्जामिनर, वो कई बार सिलेबस से पूछ सकता है. अदरवाइज़ योगा और जो बाकी की चीज़ें हैं जो जनरली हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे हैं ग्राउंड पर, वहाँ से पूछा जाता है. अभी भी थोड़ा सा एक कन्फ्यूज़न है कि जो वापस एक पेंडेमिक कंडीशन बन रही है, वो एक सोचने की बात है कि लेट्स सी वापस एग्ज़ाम्स ऑनलाइन मोड में हो रहा है या ऑफलाइन मोड में हो रहा है, तो दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कंडीशंस. बट इस चैप्टर में ये कंफर्म है, इस टर्म 2 में ये कंफर्म है कि ये जो पेपर होगा वो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग आंसर दोनों को मिला करके एक मिक्स पेपर होगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच एंड good luck for your term 2.